In this video, I'm going to help you understand what a Notion second brain is and how you can start using one step by step, even if you're completely new to Notion. A second brain is basically a system where you store ideas, notes, plans, and important information, so your brain doesn't have to remember everything. And Notion makes this incredibly easy with ready-made templates. If you've ever felt overwhelmed with notes scattered everywhere, this video is for you. And before we dive in, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, because I post simple and practical software tutorials like this every week. Alright, let's get started. First, open Notion on your desktop or in your browser. Once you're inside your workspace, look at the sidebar and click on New Page. This creates a fresh page where you can either start from scratch or use one of Notion's built-in templates. For understanding a second brain, templates are the fastest way to learn because everything is already structured for you. After clicking New Page, look for the Templates option and click on it. This opens the Notion template gallery, where you'll find templates created by Notion and the community. At the top, you'll see a search bar. Click inside it and type Second Brain. This will show you multiple templates designed around the second brain concept, including systems for notes, tasks, ideas, and long-term knowledge. Once the results load, click on See All so you can view every available second brain template. This helps you compare layouts and understand how different creators organize information. Look for a highlighted or popular second brain template. In this example, we're using a well-structured second brain template that's beginner-friendly. Click on it to open the template preview. Here, you'll see an overview of how the system works, usually including sections like Inbox, Notes, Projects, and Resources. To start using it in your own workspace, click on Add. Notion will now duplicate this template into your account. Once it's added, click on Second Brain in your sidebar to open it. This is now your personal knowledge system. Think of this as a digital extension of your brain, where everything you don't want to forget lives. Inside the second brain, click on Inbox. The inbox is one of the most important parts of the system. This is where all your raw ideas, quick notes, and thoughts go before you organize them. You don't need to overthink anything here. Anytime you learn something new or have an idea, you drop it into the inbox. Inside the inbox, click on a highlighted example item to see how entries are structured. Then click on something like Trip to Singapore. This shows how real information is stored inside the second brain. You'll usually see tags, categories, and linked notes. This is the core idea of a second brain. Capture information first, then organize it later. Over time, you can move items from the inbox into other sections like Notes, Projects, or Resources. This keeps your system clean while making sure nothing important is lost. The more you use it, the more natural it becomes, and eventually you'll stop relying on memory and start relying on your system. And that's the basic way to understand and start using a Notion second brain. You don't need to master everything on day one. Just start capturing ideas and let the system grow with you. If this video helped you understand Notion second brain better, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Notion and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.